Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my newborn tips and tricks that I use with my baby Alia, who is 3.5 months old right now. I think that she's coming out of the newborn phase, I'm pretty sure, and she's just a baby now. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the hacks that I have found along the way. Some of these I've seen in a few other videos and I tried them and they worked, and some of these I just sort of made up along the way while living with my baby. So yeah, if you want to learn some of these tips and tricks, then continue watching. So guys, first up is my change table little hack. So Alia sometimes gets fussy when she's getting changed after a bath or just fussing in general. So we actually printed out these black and white animal silhouettes. It's just African animals, and we've had this up here from maybe when she was 2 weeks old, and honestly it was amazing. She would just stop crying and then just stare up at the black and white pictures and to just stop crying. So I would definitely recommend, if you have a shelf above your change table, to pop some pictures up there or something that your baby can look at. Or even if you don't have a shelf, you can just put it here on the wall, and then your baby can turn their head and just look over there instead of crying. And then we also put this little zebra here that I've just clipped there, and it just dangles, and she's always looking at it like she is right now. So yeah, that has been so much help for when she's crying. So that is my first little hack. So we also have one hanging in the car where her capsule faces, and it's just some butterflies that's falling down. I need to stick it back up, but this is awesome to keep her distracted in the car. She loves the black and white butterflies, and yeah, so that is a really good tip. I recommend definitely doing this. Just figure out a better way to stick it down, because this doesn't stick very well to leather, so I might have to tape it up to here and do something so we can stay. But yeah. Okay, another one is make sure you roll down the folds of the top. A lot of people know this, but some people don't. There's little folds on the baby's clothes that you can just pull down when you have poo explosions like this. And so you don't want the clothes to come up over your baby's head, so you want to roll them off and yeah, down the body of your baby. Also, once you have your pooey diaper, just use the tabs on the side to roll it up and clip it onto the other side, and then it's wrapped like that, and then it's super easy to put into your diaper bin. So this is a big tip. When you put diapers on, make sure you grab all the extra material from the back and use your hand to push it forward when you're clipping, because it will make for a really tight fit diaper. This is the best way to do it, and really hard to show you with one hand, but just push all the material forward and yeah, it will make your diaper way tighter and a better fit. Once you've got your diaper on, make sure you're getting out the little frills so that you don't have big poo explosions. There is outside frills and there is inside frills as well, which a lot of people don't realize, but there's another set of frills, that one, and that's the one you really need to pull out, because that's what's stopping the poo from coming out really. So just yeah, make sure you pull all your ruffles out, and this will help you so much. Also, if you have socks and mittens that are dirty and need washing, just clip a little washable bag to your washing basket, and you can put all your little socks and mittens in there and wash them in this bag. That way you won't be losing any of your socks and mittens that are getting lost and stuck in between the clothes. Especially if you wash your baby clothes with your own clothes, they get hidden everywhere and you will lose so many socks. So just have a little separate little washing bag for them. Another really good thing to do is layer your change mat. I have this fluffy one, so it's nice and soft for Alia, and then I have another one underneath, and it just makes sure that when this one gets dirty, if anything's on it, you can just pull this one off and this one's ready to go. And I like to put a disposable change mat, one of these things, in between the layers so that it really absorbs any pee or any poo if anything happens. But yeah, so just layer up on your change table, and that will save you so much time, and you won't have to look around for a change mat cover while there's poo everywhere. So another really handy thing to have are little tubs. This is the one that sits behind, oh not behind, beside our change table with like some powder, oil, diapers, and then we have one in the lounge room as well. I'll show you. So this is another one on the coffee table. Oh, I've just got Alia with me. And we just put like burp cloths in there, her dummy, her little brush, some teethers, lip balm for us. Like it just keeps everything together, like all those little miscellaneous things. So these tubs are really handy. We also have one in the room as well that has extra diapers and wipes for when we change her in the middle of the night or early hours of the morning. And these are just from Kmart, and I think they're like $4, so super handy. Another thing is grab yourself a little heater. These are little portable heaters. They're like $15 from like Target and Kmart. I just plug it in and we turn it on when we're changing her for a bath, and then close the door, and when we come in, this room is nice and warm for her, and then she loves getting changed because she used to hate it because it was so cold. But these little heaters make it super easy. Not sure if you can really see it in there. I'm holding Alia so I can't bend down to show you guys, but they yeah, they're just really cheap and they just help so much during winter. Well, that's it for my tips and tricks video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Say bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.